I want to get you back to that very strong storm that is impacting our desert communities right now. This is our Borrego Springs camera, another time lapse. You can see the plenty of clouds. It's wet on the ground. There's raindrops on the camera. It is very stormy, and that storm system is moving north now, but there's still going to be some lingering flood concerns with this storm system. So there was a storm that was just east of Mount Laguna. That one has fallen apart. That flood advisory that I mentioned at the top of the hour, that one's going to be coming to an end soon. But this storm system still producing significant lightning. In fact, just within the last 30 minutes, we've seen 57 lightning strikes. Some of that, of course, going up into Riverside County. Oh, I showed you this also just a little bit ago. That hail potential was in areas of San Diego. Now it's moving farther to the north as that storm system is continuing to move north. But some areas could see half-inch size hail with that storm system. This flood warning continues in the deserts because when you get all of that rain, the flooding can continue even after the storm system moves through. So that continues until 5:15 this evening. The center of the storm is offshore. All of this moisture is going to continue to spread north, but you can still see a lot of moisture to the south in Mexico. That all is headed our way. So the mountains and the deserts, again, you still have that flood watch, which means there is a potential for more flooding with these storms that come through. That remains in effect until 2 a.m. Friday. For the mountain or the coast and the valleys, it was a sunny and very humid day. We're in the 70s and 80s almost everywhere. Significantly cooler in Borrego Springs once that rain rolled through. It is 73 degrees there. And you know, I've talked about the dew point temperature. The actual temperature would have to drop to in order for dew to form. And I say anything in the mid-60s is pretty sticky. We are seeing some 70s right now in Poway, Vista, just about as high in Escondido and in downtown. And even in the deserts, which are notorious for being dry, that is something that you see in Florida, not San Diego. Very unusual. Temperatures tonight, very warm because of the higher humidity. We're in the 70s most of the night along our coast. In fact, most areas won't even drop into the 60s by tomorrow morning. Inland neighborhoods will start to see some mid-70s by 7 o'clock, but we're going to mostly also stay in the 70s all night long. Temperatures tomorrow, maybe a degree or two cooler here or there, maybe even a degree or two warmer in some areas. So very comparable to today overall. Mid-70s to low 80s along our coast, mid to upper 80s for our inland neighborhoods, mid-70s in the mountains, Mount Laguna a little bit cooler at 72, mid to upper 90s in the deserts, 86 in Ramona, 85 in Santee, and 77 in Encinitas. So I want to put our 10 News Futurecast into play, and I will say the models really haven't done a great job grasping this tropical moisture, which isn't unusual. As you can see, we are not seeing this much rain across the county right now. It really is just focused over the deserts. As we head into tonight, that chance for showers will diminish. Take this little line of green and move it over just a little bit. We will see a slight chance for maybe a little moisture in the mountains tomorrow afternoon, but overall we are going to be seeing a drying trend. But Sunday, this is at 12:30 in the afternoon on Sunday, and into Monday, another system could bring another chance for showers and maybe even thunderstorms to the county. So I have added that slight chance for the coastal areas Sunday into Monday. We will be tracking this through the weekend and let you know what it looks like it's going to be panning out. So there remains quite a bit of uncertainty. 70s into next week along our coast, while inland neighborhoods will generally be staying in the 80s. It is going to be warm and muggy for the first day of fall, but not as hot as it was looking like earlier this week, just because that system does look a little bit more likely to be rolling in. The mountains we're also going to be staying in the 70s into early next week. We'll see that chance for showers and thunderstorms Sunday and Monday. Tomorrow, expecting clouds to build over the mountains and deserts into the afternoon. There's just a very small chance for any activity. Sunday and Monday, even the deserts have a slight chance for showers.